Another true crime story, which is such a tragedy, out of Akron, Ohio. 4 days of hell trial. The defendant ended up pleading guilty ahead of jury selection. So in Akron, Ohio, earlier today, an Ohio man accused of kidnapping a woman and holding her captive for 4 days in a garage did plead guilty moments before jury selection was set to begin. William Mozingo Jr. was charged with kidnapping, felonious assault, abduction, and strangulation for an attack on 23-year-old Chloe Jones, who was rescued by Akron police from that Akron garage on October 16th of 2023, where they did find Jones inside that garage with serious physical injuries. After the rescue, relatives of Jones said she suffered facial fractures, broken bones, and brain bleed. And earlier today, Mr. Mozingo Jr. pleaded guilty to the charges, including an escape charge. In another case, prosecutors were asking for a minimum of 25 years in prison for the sentence. Police said Mozingo, who knew Jones, offered to drive her home before kidnapping her. Her mother described the attack as Mr. Mozingo Jr. had doused her daughter in gasoline and was threatening to catch her on fire. Mozingo also beat her with a baseball bat and hit her with his fist, causing many injuries as well as a traumatic brain injury, and would cuddle her in between beatings. Jones had been missing for 4 days before she was found. The body cam footage from police officers showed that the police officers were helping her down from what looked like a hole in the roof. While Mozingo was being taken away in handcuffs, he could be heard saying, "I love you, Chloe." And court records from Mr. Mozingo Jr. also reveal two previous convictions for kidnapping, assault, and menacing in Stark County, as well as a conviction on drug charges in Summit County. After the plead of guilty that Mr. Mozingo Jr. Gave, there was a victim impact statement as well as a few videos that Mr. Mozingo took on his phone during the times the assault was occurring. So a couple of those were played, and then the arguing between the state and prosecution and the defense of what the sentence that they felt in their eyes should be. So, Judge Susan Baker Ross came back with a recommended sentence and handed down a sentence to Mr. Mozingo Jr. for 25 to 31 years incarcerated.